In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage multiple websites in Hostinger step by step. If you run more than one website, whether it's for different businesses, blogs, client projects, or niche sites, Hostinger makes it really easy to manage everything from a single dashboard. Instead of logging into separate accounts or struggling to keep track of different hosting panels, you can control all your sites in one place. I'll walk you through where to find your websites, how to open the dashboard for each one, and the main tools you'll use to manage them efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate Hostinger and manage multiple websites without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, the thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then click on the Login button and enter your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive inside the Hostinger H panel, which is the main control area where you manage hosting, domains, files, and websites. This is the place where everything related to your hosting account is organized. Now look for the section called Websites. Click on Websites, and you'll see a list of all the websites that are currently connected to your Hostinger account. This page is basically the control center for all the sites you host. If you run multiple projects, client websites, or different brands, they will all appear here in one list, making it very easy to manage everything from a single view. Each website in this list will have its own set of management options. Next to every site, you'll see a button labeled Dashboard. When you click the Dashboard button for a specific website, Hostinger opens the dedicated management panel for that particular site. This allows you to control everything related to that website without affecting your other sites. Inside the website dashboard, you'll see several important tools and sections. One of the most commonly used options is WordPress management. If your site runs on WordPress, this section allows you to access your WordPress admin panel, manage updates, enable automatic updates, and control plugins or themes more easily. Another important section is domains. This is where you manage the domain connected to that website. You can check domain settings, manage DNS records, connect additional domains, or update domain configurations, depending on what your website needs. You'll also see the File section. This is where you can open the Hostinger File Manager to view, upload, edit, or delete files on your website. This is especially useful if you want to manually upload website files, edit configuration files, or quickly access your site's directory without using external FTP software. Next is backups. Backups are extremely important when managing multiple websites because they protect your work if something goes wrong. In the backup section, you can create backups, restore previous versions of your site, and make sure your website data stays safe. Another key feature you'll find in the dashboard is security. This section allows you to manage SSL certificates, security settings, and protection features that help keep your website secure from threats. When you're running multiple websites, maintaining security for each one is very important, so this section is worth checking regularly. The best part about Hostinger's system is that you can repeat this exact process for every website you own. Simply go back to the Websites page, choose another site from the list, click Dashboard, and manage that site individually using the same tools. This keeps everything organized and prevents changes on one website from affecting another. So anytime you want to manage multiple websites in Hostinger, just log in, go to the Website section, choose the site you want, and open its dashboard to access WordPress, domain settings, files, backups, and security tools. And that's it. That's how to manage multiple websites in Hostinger quickly and efficiently from a single account. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website tutorials, hosting guides, and step-by-step tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.